Ko te rā whakatoa rākau te kaupapa kua whakau e Waikato Tainui, hei whakaora anō I te whenua.
At the moment we've got obviously paddocks where cows used to be, but before them there was trees here. So what we're trying to do is put them all back, return what was here once before, and then hopefully for the future generations there's trees that'll like kauri, potara, anything that's native.
Ko John Tūkere te kai whakahaere matua o ngā kōhanga whakatō kākano, ko tōna hiehia kia whakatutuki I ngā wawata o tā Robert Mahuta.
Sir Robert had a dream about having a national park in Hopuhopu, and we were going to show the rest of the nation how to go about it, I suppose. And we're at the early stages of doing that.
Ko te oranga o te whenua te mea nui, mā te whakatō I ngā rākau Māori anō e whakaora I te whenua.
We do put comms out about this event, but it doesn't have to be an event, eh? As long as we're putting trees in the ground, that's going to be for generations to come. So the more we put out there, the better.
Ko te wawata kia tupu rawa e nei taonga a tāne Mahuta, huri noa I ngā whenua o Hopuhopu. Macie Kuki, Aukaha.